Hello children, welcome to Kumari Sharda classes. So in today's video we will discuss the question answers of the chapter The Unlikely Best Friends. So take out the page number 45. See what is the question number 1. Why did Gajraj not eat his food? So Gajraj अपना food क्यों नहीं खा रहा था? Why was he not eating his food? Because he was missing his friend Bunty. So आप आंसर को कैसे लिखोगे? Gajraj did not eat his food because he was missing his friend Bunty. ये बहुत ही easy question था. See the next question. Who were friends at the end of the story? Who were the friends at the end of the story? From the starting of the story हमने किसको friends बनता हुआ देखा? गजराज को और बंटी को. लेकिन at the end जब माहौत ने हग किया फार्मर को, what did he say? कि अब मैं और तुम यानी कि फार्मर और माहौत भी क्या बन चुके थे? बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स बन चुके थे. So माहौत and farmer were friends at the end of the story. Now moving to the next question. Now coming to the next section, that is let us think and reflect. इसमें एक्चुअली दो पार्ट्स है, पार्ट ए एंड पार्ट बी. दोनों पार्ट में आपको पैसेज को रीड करना है एंड देन आफ्टर उसके नीचे जो भी क्वेश्चंस दिए गए उन क्वेश्चंस को आंसर करना है. व्हाट इज पार्ट ए? In spite of royal comforts, Gajraj was sad because he had no friends. The Mahout or elephant trainer was the only one he ever interacted with. The Mahout was a kind man who served Gajraj food and gave him a bath in the elephant pond daily. He was a good caretaker but not a friend. Now see what is the first part? Complete with one word. That is, यहाँ पे हमने क्या बता के रखा है? Mahout kind, यानी कि Mahout was what? He was a kind person. So Gajraj का इस पैसेज में क्या बताया है? Gajraj was what? He was sad. Okay, clear this one? Now coming to the second part. The Mahout was a good caretaker because he gave dash to Gajraj and dash in the pond. What did he give him? He gave him daily food as well as he gave him bath in the pond. He took Gajraj for bath in the elephant pond. Clear this part? Then now see the third part. What is the difference between a caretaker and a friend? This thing is being asked in the part 3 question. So as you all know, caretaker किसे कहा जाता है? नाम में है caretaker. It means one who takes care of us, who fulfill our needs. But if I talk about a friend, क्या friend हम इसीलिए बनाते हैं कि वो हमारी केयर करे, हमारी needs को fulfill करे? No. With friends we play, we share everything, isn't it? हम अपने emotions share करते हैं अपने friend के साथ, उनके साथ खेलते हैं, कहीं घूमने फिरने जाते हैं, isn't it? So we can write a caretaker is one who takes care of us and fulfill our needs, whereas our friend is one with whom we play and share everything. Got it, everyone? Now coming to the part B. Are you missing your friend? Asked the farmer, remembering the happy look on Bunty's face while sitting on the elephant's back. I cannot see you go hungry, said the farmer. If you miss your friend so much, go to him. The farmer removed the rope with which he had tied the dog. Now see, the farmer uses the word dash to refer to the elephant. What is the word used by the farmer for the elephant? What is he saying? Farmer क्या कह रहा है बंटी को कि are you missing your friend? यहाँ पे friend कौन है? वो elephant. So यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा blank में friend. Now see what is the second question from this passage. How did the farmer know that Bunty was hungry? Farmer को कैसे पता चला कि बंटी को भूख लगी हुई थी, वो hungry था? By observing his behavior. Whose behavior? Bunty's behavior. Farmer know that Bunty was hungry. Now what is the third question? Why did the farmer remove the rope with which he had tied Bunty? Farmer ने वो rope क्यों खोल दिया? क्योंकि वो समझ चुका था कि बंटी अपने friend को miss कर रहा है. Farmer removed the rope because Bunty was not eating anything and he was missing his friend Gajraj. Got it, everyone? Now coming to the last part. Complete with one word. Gajraj, Bunty. Gajraj, Bunty. यानी कि गजराज और बंटी दोनों क्या थे? Best friends in the same way. Farmer के साथ किसकी friendship हो गई थी? Mahout. So here in this blank, what will come? Mahout. Now coming to the question number 2 of page 46. See what is the question. Give 2 examples to show that Gajraj was very happy to have a friend. यहाँ पे आपको 2 एग्जाम्पल्स देने जिसमें कि ये पता चल रहा हो कि गजराज बहुत खुश था कि उसे अब एक फ्रेंड मिल चुका था. तो हमने देखा था कि गजराज जब वो नहाने के लिए गया था एलिफेंट पॉन्ड में, ही वाज स्प्लैशिंग वाटर ऑन बंटी. सो वो एक एग्जाम्पल है. गजराज स्प्लैश्ड वाटर ऑन बंटी व्हाइल बाथिंग. एंड द सेकंड थिंग, आफ्टर बाथिंग व्हेन दे वर कमिंग बैक टू द रॉयल स्टेबल, गजराज ने क्या किया था? बंटी को उसने ऐसे ट्रंक से अपने पीठ के ऊपर बिठा लिया था, isn't it? So यहाँ पे हम लिख सकते हैं Gajraj gave ride to Bunty. So these can be the 2 examples where we can get to know that Gajraj was happy to have a friend. Now see what is question number 3. How did the Mahout come to know that Gajraj was sad? कैसे पता चला माहौट को कि गजराज सैड है, उसे वो दुखी है, उसे कब पता चला माहौट को? जब गजराज पूरे दिन भर के लिए उसने कुछ खाया नहीं, उसने खाने को टच तक नहीं किया. When Gajraj was not eating anything for the whole day after leaving Bunty, then Mahout came to know that Gajraj was hungry. Okay. Now coming to the question number 4. क्या है question number 4? Why do you think Bunty licked farmer's hand? Bunty ने farmer के hand को lick क्यों किया? Bunty licked farmer's hand because the farmer removed the rope with which Bunty was tied and allowed him to go to his friend. मतलब जिस रोप से फार्मर ने बंटी को टाई कर रखा था, बांध के रखा था, उस रोप को रिमूव कर दिया फार्मर ने. क्यों? ताकि बंटी जाकर के अपने फ्रेंड से मिल सके. और इसी चीज से क्या हो, बंटी ने फार्मर के हैंड को लिक किया खुशी से, एज अ वे ऑफ सेइंग थैंक्स. Now see what is question number 5. What was unlikely about the friendship of Gajraj and Bunty? ये स्टोरी का नेम ही है, The Unlikely Best Friends, isn't it? तो ये गजराज और बंटी के फ्रेंडशिप को अनलाइकली फ्रेंडशिप क्यों कहा गया? The friendship of Gajraj and Bunty was unlikely, मतलब something which is not like to happen. Why? Because Gajraj was an elephant and Bunty was a dog. मतलब देखो एक डॉग की फ्रेंडशिप किससे हो रही है? एक एलिफेंट से. So this is an unlikely thing, isn't it? And both of them lived with different people. कहाँ गजराज रॉयल स्टेबल में रहता था माहौट के साथ, और कहाँ यहाँ पे डॉग एक फार्मर के साथ रहता था. बट कैसे दोनों कोइंसिडेंटली मिल गए और इतने अच्छे फ्रेंड्स बन गए, isn't it? So these are the two things from which we can say that their friendship was unlikely friendship. Got it everyone? So this much was the question answers of this chapter. So thank you children for watching this video. If you all liked this video, then please like it and kindly share it among your friends, classmates, and also do subscribe my channel for such videos.